How did they do this?
Now that's what we're talking about. There's the smoke. That's what.
Place to hold it though.
Oh, it's powerful, man. And that's quick. And that's quick. I like the pink one. Real quick.
It's too hot.
Really?
Yeah.
Ah, it's not. Oh, it's pink. So.
Yeah, I think it's too hot, brother.
Oh, really?
Thermal shutdown.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, no problem. Now it's nice and pink.
Yeah. You need to air blow it.
Yeah, we'll have
It's
to.
all good.
So I will change the ESC also.
Yeah, okay. The ESC cannot handle this.
Not this motor.
Yeah. So you got to change it, no? Look at that. Remember this GoPro?
What's that?
This one? You remember this GoPro?
Long time.
It's
yeah.
from you.
But you changed the lens, yeah?
It's only the casing.
Only the casing?
Yeah, only the
okay.
casing.
Oh, okay, okay.
So that I can put a mic.
Ah, okay. What mic do you use?
I use a Boya MM1. This is a cheap one, but it's a good.
Does it block wind good?
Yeah, yeah,
That's
and it's
fine.
very fine. Oh, good to go. That's really quick. That's really quick.
Right on,
Look
bro.
at that TP. Look at that. Look at that.
And I put the lights on here.
TP power.
Too much power.
Anyways, where did you buy these lights? It's neat.
AliExpress.
Okay.
It's there, yeah. Plus is this side, plus is this side. I know you have to go, so I will make it quick.
Yeah.
You like?
No.
I think they had the baby reveal.
Yeah, I think so. Gender reveal.
Yeah. I will modify this because right now this is difficult to put on this switch.
Put long wires, I think you have to.
No, I think it's this. This is the one that's having the problem. Plus, yes.
There. It's good to go.
Is it?
Yeah.
And let me see. There's a switch under here on this side. That's only red. Okay, that's red.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bro, I really like this bad boy.
Yeah, definitely have to change ESC.
Yeah, so that it.
I cannot handle this more.
And I like the infraction.
Bumper, this,
Yeah.
The license plate.
Yeah.
Ah,
Again?
yeah.
Okay.
That's too hot, bro.
It's too
Okay.
Okay, anyways.
Well, that's it for today, man.
Yeah, but we need to see the most of it.
Yeah.
Soon.
Yeah. So I will bring it next time when they have this big event. Then I'll
Yeah.
go tell you about this.
Yeah.
Yeah. You'll be here for this?
Yes, of course. I will be here.
Yes.